سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters in Islam. On behalf of the Islamic Education Trust Board of Trustees and the entire management, I want to congratulate you on this occasion of Eid al-Fitr.
May Allah accept our ibadah that we have done within these 29-30 days of the month of Ramadan. May we all live to see another Ramadan.
I want to express our great and profound appreciation for your support.
Contributions over the years. We solicit for more of your contribution and support to ensure that we continue to carry out our programs and activities which is meant for the interest of Islam, the Muslim Ummah and humanity, not only in Nigeria but across the world.
We pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to reward you with the best manner in this Eid as well as beyond it.
Happy Eid al-Fitr.
May the peace and blessing on the day of Eid be upon each and every one of us.
Wajazakumullahu khair. Thank you very much and Eid Mubarak.
يا ربيعا أنت والعطر الرداء حرر النفس.